Hi, my name is Chloe and I am from Troop 590 in Waipahu, Hawaii. I am working on my Bronzeware project. The Bronzeware project is the highest award that I can accomplish as a junior Girl Scout. I decided to help my community and our first responders. My project is to share with you how to make a reusable mask for yourself and others. I chose to do this project because of the mask shortage due to the coronavirus. I plan to donate the mask that my family, friends, and I make to our first responders here in Hawaii. This is my first time sewing, so my service unit leader, Auntie Laura, will be demonstrating how to make a reusable mask, while I will give you the instructions. Here are the materials you need. You need the pattern to make the mask, writing utensils to trace the pattern onto the fabric scissors, fabric that you want to use, thread, sewing machine. Also, you'll need an additional material that is not shown. You'll need the filter template. You'll need a sheet of felt for added protection to place in your mask. Cut out appropriate size pattern. Fold fabric in half and place pattern on fabric. Trace the pattern, then cut it out. Using the same pattern, fold the pattern on the cut line for the lining. Place it on your lining fabric, trace, and then cut it out. Flip the pattern so the right sides are together. In other words, the wrong sides are facing outwards. Cut out your pattern on the seam guidelines. Using your pattern, trace your seam guidelines on the fabric. Straight sew the widest side of your fabric. That would be the middle of your mask. Do it for the front and lining fabric. Snip the seams as close to the thread as possible. Make sure not to cut the thread that you just sewed. Do it for both the front and the lining fabric. Open your lining fabric and place it right side down. Then fold and iron your sides about 1/4 of an inch. Zigzag stitch the folded sides. Place the front and lining together so that the right sides are together. Straight sew the top and bottom seams. Make sure to back sew to secure the thread. Snip the seams as close to the thread as possible. Turn it inside out so the right sides are outside. Iron the seams. Fold over and iron the sides of your mask about 1/4 of an inch. Straight sew the border of your mask. Cut 2 pieces of elastic that are about 11 inches long. Place elastic on the sides, fold over and sew to secure the elastic. Make sure to not sew on the elastic or the lining. Do it for both sides. Tie elastic in a knot, adjust the fit to your liking. You are ready to make the filter to your mask. Trace your template for your filter onto your sheet of felt. Cut out your filter. Snip the nose area. Fold filter and place in your mask. Adjust for the perfect fit. Congratulations! You made your own reusable mask. Make sure to wash it in hot water if you want to donate it. Please help me by spreading the word to your family and friends. Mahalo for watching my video!